Through these doors lies a uniquely successful company with a huge future potential in the PCB drill and end mills markets. 7 years ago, Topgreen globally patented a brazed composite material production process for the manufacture of high-precision drills for the PCB market. This new technology perfectly matches the increasing market demands for more accurate and ever smaller drills and mills in the production of PCBs for the high-tech electronics industry and mold for the manufacturing industry. Brazed composite drill and router bits for the HDI and BGA markets. Brazed composite blanks for the production of drills by tool manufacturers. Topgreen is also now gearing up for its latest development, which will be diamond-tipped drills. These are a new development in the Taiwan market, which has an ever-increasing demand for these high-precision products. The foundation of any high-quality product is a highly detailed and well-managed R&D process. At Topgreen, they use the DOE, Design and Analysis of Experiments methodology, for the development of all of their products. There is no hit-or-miss approach to design here. All of the specific customer-specified performance requirements for each drill and mill, in terms of cutting speed, material type and thickness, accuracy, and smoothness of drilled holes, are taken into account, analyzed, and designed into the product geometry. Topgreen's R&D department uses the very best equipment to test their new products. Firstly, high-speed drilling by lens machines to replicate the customer's material drilling conditions. Then, measurement of the accuracy of the hole spacing using MacVision precision inspection systems. Then, also the cross-sectional inspection of the drilled holes to ensure smoothness and accuracy. Traditionally, drills for PCB and BGA routers were produced using an insert method, drilling a hole in the steel shaft and then using heat to seal the carbide tip into the shaft. As industry requirements for smaller and smaller drill sizes and higher accuracy increase, this method is becoming less and less popular for several reasons. As the size of the drill tip decreases, it becomes more and more difficult to maintain accuracy of the drilled insert hole and therefore of the drill's performance. For BGA routers, this is especially important, as the higher rigidity of the brazed tips prevents deviations in performance which can occur with the softer and less accurate insert router bits. The insert method uses more of the expensive carbide raw material due to the wasted material in the insert. Inserts use a softer type of steel due to the difficulty of drilling the insert hole. compared to the more rigid SUS 420 with a hardness of 55 to 60, which is used in the brazing method. Quality control of inserts is difficult because each drilled insert hole will have different characteristics and performance qualities. With the latest carbide brazing systems from Topgreen, all of these problems have been resolved, producing a product which is rapidly taking the lion's share of the market due to its higher rigidity, lower cost, and higher accuracy compared to inserts. The internationally patented brazing method is one of the key reasons for the success of Topgreen's products in the marketplace. It's also a closely held trade secret, so I can't tell you how the perfect braze is achieved. I can tell you, however, that in 7 years of brazing the tungsten carbide tips onto the steel shafts, they have never had a single weld failure in PCB drilling production with any of their clients, amongst the hundreds of millions of units that they have produced. The grinding process is a very special one here at Topgreen. The company has worked with Japanese manufacturer Kobayashi to produce a range of hybrid, high-speed CNC grinding machines similar to centerless grinders using diamond cutting wheels. These unique precision CNC grinders perfectly form the shoulder on the workpiece and then gradually grind the tip down to the desired diameter. One of the key advantages of this process is that as a result of the centerless grinding, a perfectly even, smooth and centered drill is guaranteed. As with each stage of the production process here at Topgreen, after grinding, each product is tested for rigidity and accuracy, and 3% of the products are rejected at this stage, which ensures that the remaining products meet the company's exacting standards. Each of these specialized workstations at Topgreen are set up to produce different specification drills according to the batch requirements, turning out a completed piece about every 30 seconds, 24 hours a day. As we can see, this robotic workstation performs 4 functions in one unit, from initial fluting and pointing to relief grinding and finally undercutting. Of course, once completed, quality inspection is then immediately carried out to ensure accuracy of the geometry of each batch produced. The final quality testing stage is vital here at Topgreen. The company tests the geometry and size of each and every one of the millions of drills that it produces here each month in the final quality testing section. These machines measure, analyze and pack the drills and routers ready for the customers, using laser-guided and visual imaging systems to ensure that each one meets and exceeds the originally specified custom requirements from each client. As a result of the company's unceasing focus on strict R&D methodology, quality and innovation, Topgreen maintains many international accreditations. With the inevitable increase in PCB manufacturing to meet the hugely increasing global demands, Topgreen is also gearing up for expansion. The new 12,000 square meter production facility will be constructed during 2008 and is set to increase Topgreen's total production capacity to over 150 million units per year. Of course, with this huge investment in capacity will come a matching investment in new and even more sophisticated R&D and quality control systems. This will ensure that Topgreen's existing market share will only continue to increase as the market becomes ever more demanding of the highest quality products at the most globally competitive prices. Only Topgreen, with its globally unique production process, can do this.